Hey everybody, today in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can enable dynamic refresh rate on your Windows 11. So it's kind of simple, and also it has some tricky work as well. So let's get started. So first thing is that you need to go to your display setting. This is the display setting. By right clicking you can go there and simply go to advanced display, and here is the dynamic refresh rate. If your monitor supports, you can directly toggle this on. So right now in my case it's been disabled or grayed out. So this may be the problem because I am using the HDMI. The first thing is that I'm using the HDMI right now on my G25 11p monitor, which is from Core UI, and also you can see that I am on RTX 5070 with some latest driver. You can see if you type here you will see the driver on your display. So this is the driver model that I'm using, WDDM 3.2. So if you guys are using like HDMI cable, then this will block it. All right, so yeah, if you guys go to like DP port, then you should see instantly the toggle on button. And also make sure your monitor is supported with G-Sync mode. Okay, if you have access to your monitor buttons on your monitor OSD or on-screen display, you should see something called G-Sync mode or FreeSync or even Adapt Sync. All right, so if you guys have similar to this case, you can just go ahead and turn that on or enable that, and you should be able to see that once you guys connect with DP port. So if you guys don't know what's a DP port, it's basically display port. It should look something like this. So this is your basic HDMI cable, as you guys can see that, and for monitor it's always recommended the display port. So yeah, go ahead and use the display port if you guys really wanted to enable the dynamic refresh rate if your hardware supports it. All right, so in my case I'm using HDMI, so if I use display port, this will resolve the issue. So all right guys, this is how you can enable dynamic refresh rate on your Windows 11, and I hope this video resolved the issue. So yeah, see you guys in the next one.